In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out on Discord. Whether you're reading long message threads, sharing your screen, or just want the interface to feel more comfortable, adjusting the zoom can make a big difference. I'll keep this simple, clear, and quick, and I'll include a few useful tips along the way. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Both support zoom controls. Make sure the Discord window is active so your keyboard shortcuts apply to it. It helps to have a server or chat open so you can immediately see the changes in text size and layout as you adjust the zoom. To zoom in, press Control and the plus key on Windows or Linux. On many keyboards, this is the equals key with the plus sign, so hold Control and tap the equals or plus to make everything larger. On a Mac, use Command and plus. Each press increases the zoom in small steps, so you can fine-tune until the text and interface feel right. To zoom out, press Control and the minus key on Windows or Linux, or Command and minus on a Mac. This reduces the size of text and elements, giving you more content on screen. A quick memory trick is that plus adds size and minus subtracts it, so plus zooms in and minus zooms out. If you prefer the mouse, you can also hold Control on Windows or Linux or Command on a Mac and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in and down to zoom out. That's optional, but it's handy when you want quick, gradual control. If you ever want to go back to the default view, press Control and 0 on Windows or Linux or Command and 0 on a Mac. That instantly resets the zoom to 100%, which is useful if you've adjusted a lot and want a clean baseline. A couple of quick tips. If the zoom doesn't seem to change, make sure the Discord window is selected. Shortcuts only affect the active app. In a web browser, the zoom applies to the current tab. In the desktop app, it applies to the entire app. Also, keep in mind that very high zoom levels may wrap channel names or push panels around, so increase gradually for the best layout. Finally, choose a zoom level that keeps messages readable without straining your eyes. Comfort is the goal. That's it. Open Discord, use Control or Command with plus to zoom in and with minus to zoom out. Adjust until it feels right and reset with 0 anytime.